What's up, y'all? It's Sade, and today's mindfulness tip is about awareness in developing and nurturing our relationships, especially as we begin to transition into Saturn, moving into Aquarius for the next 3 years. It's really going to be about the collective and the community and finding a tribe that really understands who we are and that we can grow and develop with. So, how are we maintaining a level of awareness in how transparent we are with our close inner circle, as well as the fluidity in the relationship? Is one person pouring into the other more than the opposite, or are we pouring and flowing into each other equally? It's so easy to get boggled down in what's going on in our own lives, in our own mind most of the time, and think that nothing else exists. And sometimes that no one else has things going on, but we're all a collective. We're individuals, a part of the collective, and we are all feeling the same things just at different points in our lives. So being mindful and aware of how we're taking care of our relationships and remembering that there's other people on that opposite end that deserve and need love just as much as they're pouring into you. So, keeping that in mind, being aware of that, and having those boundaries if relationships aren't bringing you that balance and that fluidity and that transparency, and cultivating a tribe of people that you guys can work together and just grow.